Now let us learn more about blocks. We have seen, if you remember, we have discussed about the begin block and the end block. Now we are going to discuss about user defined blocks. User defined blocks are nothing but a chunk of code as in the methods. So to use the code inside the block, we should have to create the method or function with the same name. So let us create that. Let us define a method called, let us say, person, and this method just puts like, oh my god, you are in the method, let us say, and end. Now let us write the block person, and block starts with flower braces, and here you can write whatever you want. So let us write simple, you are in the block. So now let us call the method person. To call the method, we should have to write person or with brackets or without brackets. Both are accepted in Ruby. So now let us save it and execute it. See here, you are in the method, you are in the method. Both times it is printing you are in the method, because this is also calling this method but not executing the code inside the flower braces. And this person is also again calling this method. Now to use this code, we should have to write a simple line which is yield. Yield is the keyword. Yield means it will get, if the block is defined, it will get the code from that. Now save it, execute it. Sorry, not executed. Control Z, Control S, Control B. Now here see, you are in the method and you are in the block. So that is how we will be using the blocks for. And in the next section we will be seeing how to use the blocks with the parameters. Now we are not passing any parameters. We are just, let me remove this and let save us, execute it. See here, this is the output. This is calling the method, this one person. And now you are in the method. And yield means getting from the block. It is getting from the block. That's why you are in the block. So this is about the blocks. In the next video we will be seeing how to pass the parameters. Until then, keep practicing.